Hey guys, so today we are doing a get ready with me. We thought this would be a good first video to kind of kickstart the whole beauty channel. So yeah.
Yeah, and if you want to look like this or see how we got to look like this, because I'm speaking for myself, I wasn't looking cute today. You were always looking cute, but I wasn't. So if you want to look like this and see how we did this and chat, super casual and fun, then keep on watching.
And if you didn't know, we put out videos every Tuesday. I'm starting with my NARS eye primer.
Oh, see, I have a baby one of those, but I ran out of it because I don't like to pay for it. So
that's fair.
It's fair.
Super fair.
What I've been using, but see, that's how I justify buying makeup, is that it's like, I think it's like every other product, if it's one that's more expensive, and it's not something that I like want to spend money on, I'm just like, okay, well, like, I'll get something cheaper in between, and then like it's like every other time I'm buying that. But it's like, for example, but like this is still expensive. Like this eyeshadow primer, it's just like not as much.
What is it?
This is the Smashbox 24-hour one. I kind of stumbled upon this primer, and I was like, okay, no, like, you know, nothing will beat the NARS one. But this one is really good. Like when it says 24 hours, I'm not kidding.
Doesn't come off.
It doesn't come off.
I'm feeling pink vibes today, so I'm gonna do that, and then maybe some Jaclyn Hill, the original.
Like this?
Like that.
Oh my god.
So funny.
Katie and I love this palette so much. It's very affordable. Very affordable. Like for a ton of eyeshadows. I mean,
you get a lot.
No one judged, like this is really gross and dirty, just very well loved. But like, there's a lot.
I recently hit pan on one, and I decided the only solution was to buy a whole new palette, which might seem excessive, but
it's a little excessive.
It's a little excessive. But I don't know what I'm gonna do without that color. I really don't.
So you're okay. So you're doing a pinky vibe.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm gonna. Okay. So like in the summer, I really like doing like peachy tones.
Right.
Which is a lot of my comfort zone because I'm a pinky gal. Like that, I love that palette so much. As you know, I wear it like all the time, every day. But I've been doing like in the summer, I was doing the peachy thing, and then now I feel like I can't really do that quite as much because we're in that fall transitional time.
Fall transition vibe.
Totally. So I think that this is gonna be like, it's like pre-fall, pre-autumn with the summer peach. So I don't know, kind of like pumpkin spice latte, but like one pump.
Like you're not ready to commit?
I'm not ready to commit. No, actually, like no, that's actually a thing. So I feel like in California, like yet. It's not time for a warm, like a hot pumpkin spice latte.
It's too hot still.
I mean, like you could do it for sure, but you might be sweating while drinking it, which is like, that's up to you. Like that's totally fine.
In an air-conditioned space, by all means.
By all means. But I feel like for me, I have only been doing, like I'm still on that iced coffee train, but what I've been doing is I'll get like a venti iced coffee. Everyone can go get this at Starbucks. Really basic. But a venti iced coffee with coconut milk. And usually, like, during the non-autumn season, the off season, the off pumpkin spice season, I'll get 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and that's it. But what I've been doing lately, just because I've been very excited about fall, is I've been doing a pump of pumpkin. And that's like all you need because you just get a little hint of it.
I don't think I've ever had a pumpkin spice latte.
Like ever?
No. I don't drink coffee.
Yeah.
I'm a tea gal. I go to Starbucks and I get black tea.
You're one of those. Do you
Super exciting.
Do you ever switch it up?
Sometimes I'll get it hot and sometimes I'll get it iced. Wild.
It's like not really switching it up though.
If I'm feeling like really crazy, I'll get passion iced tea, also unsweet.
But it's fine.
I like the tones that you started with.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Well, because I told you, you know?
Yeah.
We're in that.
So it's good.
Well, because in this palette, there's no true peach. So I kind of just make my own. So I go in with like 4 different shades on my lid, all matte, all like warm toned. They all kind of look the same.
But they make a very unique color.
But they make a really unique color, and they get to this peach.
I haven't been describing anything. All I've taken is a mid-tone pinky shade and use a matte pinky shade, use that as my transition, and then I mix that in with a kind of more deepy burgundy shade, and I've just been mixing the two to try to get my desired intensity. And I like a really blown out, like really blended edge.
Oh yeah?
I like some drama.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm a dramatic person.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. I don't know. I just kind of blend, you know what I mean?
Do you do your lower lash line before you put on foundation?
Yeah.
Really? Does it not mess it up?
Otherwise I forget about it.
Oh. That's fair.
Well, sometimes it gets, I don't know, because...
Well, I guess it's easy to touch up.
Yeah, and I feel like when I go in to do my foundation, I honestly don't really, like, get that close to my, like, lashes.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll just see when we get there.
Do you always do eyes before foundation?
Yes, 100%.
Interesting.
Okay, wait, so what about you?
If I'm using any dark colors, like today, obviously I used like a pretty dark maroony shade, so I felt like,
Ooh, that looks really nice.
I should do foundation second, because I sometimes am not neat, and I you need to clean up, and I don't.
Same.
I don't use a full enough coverage foundation, I feel like, to really get in there and get it away with the foundation.
I understand.
So
Yeah.
that's my logic.
That makes perfect sense. Okay, I'm adding shimmer. I didn't think I was going to, and like I am. Just in the middle.
Okay.
Just a little pop.
I feel like I'm pretty happy with where I'm at with my eyes right now. I'm not going to do the lower lash line until after I do my foundation, and I might add more shimmer after I do my foundation as well. I bounce around a lot. I don't like going in like in order. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like doing things
Okay,
that
thoughts.
way.
I want to just like a little bit.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that is like a 1 pump pumpkin spice. That's a new thing.
It's the best compliment. Okay, so what are you doing now?
Okay, I'm gonna move on to foundation. I don't use a primer. I have a love-hate relationship with primers. I don't think they do a lot. That might be controversial. Sorry, especially sitting next to Lauren. She's a big primer girl. But I don't know if they do anything. I'm not convinced.
Okay, wait, so you don't do your mascara until last?
No, because I haven't done under my eyes yet. And I don't, sometimes I can get a little enthusiastic, and I'm always afraid I'm going to get powder on my eyelashes. And that ruins the whole thing for me.
Interesting.
And I don't know, I bounce around a lot, like I said. But okay, for foundation,
Yeah.
I'm mixing the IT CC cream, which is the normal one, in the shade Light. And then, because I am super pale, I am mixing a little bit of the Smashbox Studio Skin into it in the shade 1.1. And it's just a little bit lighter, so it lightens it up and takes a little bit of orange hue away, because I don't need to look orange. So I just mix the two, and I'm gonna blend it out with my Morphe sponge.
Love Morphe.
Same. These sponges are the best. So I'm gonna move on to powder.
Oh my god, stop beating me!
Well, but you're done with your eyes. My mascara takes my mascara is a project. Like I said, it's a ritual.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I really like it. My roommate Sarah from college told me to use it.
But it's so good.
Then take this little tapery brush thing, Sephora.
Super professional. Super professional.
Super professional. And I just lightly dust the rest of my face.
Okay, I'm like done. I'm done. Not like done, but like I've had enough of this foundation. I think it's just because like I have no patience literally ever, and it's ironic that it takes me a while to do my makeup, like when I care.
Okay, now I'm gonna bronze. I'm using my Laura Mercier number 3, huge brush. I just do some forehead action.
Have you tried this powder?
No, I heard that. Is that the Coty one?
Yeah. Okay. What have you heard? Because like everyone hears the same thing about it.
It's the smell.
Yeah. Have you smelled it?
Mm-mm. It smells like baby powder.
Which doesn't bother me.
I don't know why people object to that then.
I don't know. Everyone needs to chill out because this is like $7, and it makes my face look really good. So.
Now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia contour kit, middle shade, lightest one, obviously. I use like barely any. Now I'm gonna do some NARS Mouth. Oh, I just hit pan on it.
Oh my god, and who literally told you about that?
Okay, so Lauren told me, I'm not a blush gal. I don't like it. I don't need to look more flush than I already am. I'm really pale, so I have naturally really pink cheeks. I don't need blush. So, but Lauren told me about NARS Madly. This is like my second or third one. Like, it's so good.
If you wanted to buy one blush for the rest of your life, it should be that.
It would be.
Now, I don't know, like, darker skin tones. I don't know. What do you think? Like, what do you think?
I feel like I find when I have a spray tan, I have to do like, I have to dip in a few times.
Yeah, but I kind of like that though, because you don't have to have a light hand with it. Like,
yeah,
you can go
like,
to town.
You can just swirl.
But I think if you're a darker skin tone, like, it might not show up for you as well. But if you're like pale gals like us / self tan like me, I think you would find that you love it.
Like I said, I don't love a rosy cheek.
I do.
There's like
and
people who are
that's
very into
where we differ. You know why? Okay, no one hate me. It's because Kylie Jenner, she's set a lot of makeup trends, okay, whether you like her or not.
I love her makeup.
She knows how to do her makeup.
She does a really good job.
And she does her own makeup a lot.
And
like
I like her products a lot too.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. And she, like, right now it's like her thing. I feel like highlighting was like her thing last year, you know? And now it's blush. She was like, you could look sick, you could look horrible. If you just go to town with blush, it really ups your face. And she's so right.
What bronzer did you use? You were really excited about it.
Oh. I used the Becca bronzer. You literally could ask me what it's called and I don't know. Sunlit bronzer in Bronzed Bondi. My shade changes on how tan I am, but that's the one I really, really like. It's one of those where it's like, it looks like it has shimmer in it, but then when you put it on your cheeks, there's no glitter or anything like that. Because I find if there's something that has like nothing in it, it just kind of looks like dirt on my face. You know?
I feel bad.
Did you do your highlighter?
Yeah, so what you guys missed.
While I was yammering away.
Recap. Okay, I used Becca Opal highlighter. That's my favorite. I think, you know, the whole glow from within trend, that's becoming more big rather than just like a strobe highlighter. I still like the strobe for now. We'll see, it could change. But, so Becca Opal, super great. Now I'm going back to eyes and I'm just taking the same Becca palette that I used earlier and using the shade.
I'm drowning myself in this Jouer highlighter right now, and it's fine.
Good.
I'm obsessed with it, and like I have a lot of highlighters. We're gonna do a highlighter video too. We're just telling you all the videos to come. But no, for real, I love highlighter, and I have a lot of different ones. And this one, I think I like it so much because it has gold in it, which like I like wearing a golden highlighter in the summer, and then it's sad when it's not summer anymore because I feel like I can't really wear it.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like it's like too...
I feel like that's fall too though, with like the warm tones.
Yeah, maybe we can change that. Yeah, I just find that I don't reach for it as much, and I reach for, oh gosh, Champagne Pop. That's just like what because you know, like holiday season and stuff. But, I don't know. But, I'm doing my least favorite part of my makeup routine right now, which is the brows. Literally no one come at me for what my brows look like because I do the best that I can with them, okay?
And then I use something that you're probably not supposed to use on your waterline, but you know, whatever. It's a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. It's one of their like stick eyeshadows.
The best.
It's the color Amethyst, but it's not purple. It's like it's kind of a taupe. I would say it's a taupe, and I put that on my
literally everyone go buy that.
On my waterline.
Go buy it.
It's really great as a cream eyeshadow too. I use it all the time as that.
That's what I use it for.
Yeah, if you ever
you're using it as eyeliner.
Yeah, I just use it in my waterline. But if you ever need a quick like, oh, I want to look like I did something, but I didn't, you just use this, and it doesn't move, and it's so beautiful.
I love
it. It complements so many eye colors too.
Especially Kenny and I both have green eyes, but
mine are more hazel than hers, so like
yeah, but they're green.
Yeah.
But we love to play up our eye color all the time, and this amethyst shade is stunning for that. If for me, you're using it as eyeliner, but I'll just like smudge it all over the lid, and I'll put it a little bit on my lower lash line, and then just like, I don't know, like a warm brown in the crease, and you are good.
It takes 20 seconds.
Yeah, that
and
looks
I like it because it's not a dark brown eyeliner. It doesn't need to be super dark in there, but I also don't want it to just be plain.
Yeah.
I like little something. I've always been someone who lines my waterline. It's always been my thing. If I don't use that, I use a purple. Cause
So you
again,
do.
I always have something in my waterline.
You have eyeliner?
Yeah.
Like you'll do eyeliner?
Yeah. Okay. Brush my brows. I do it after my setting spray. Like I said, I bounce around. I'm weird. It's fine. Okay. Then I take this Dior Bold Brow in the color 21.
Ooh. I've never seen that.
It's
Gimme
essentially
brow.
the gimme brow, but it doesn't make my eyebrows itch.
Okay, so yeah, just use this Anastasia
Crush.
Crush. Love it.
The best.
The best. And then I'm gonna do, just cause like sometimes I feel like I look a little too matte because I'm just like trying to subdue that oil at all times. In the middle, I'm gonna dab a little bit of this. This is like a little baby one. This is the NARS lip gloss in Orgasm. I love that little pop when you pull out your lip gloss. Okay, well, like I'm done. Oh, I need setting spray. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, you know what's really funny is that Katie's setting spray that she used, I have the Fraternal Twin. Wait, let me see. Okay, funny because this is the Dewy Finish setting spray and it's glossy looking packaging. And mine is the mattifying setting spray, both by Cover FX, and it's a matte packaging. I just think that's really cute, and both of us didn't realize that that was the situation until we were like, what setting spray are you using? So
Yeah.
I do like a Z formation kind of thing.
Ooh.
You know, in middle school, when they're like, snap your fingers in the Z formation. That's kind of what I do with this. So I do, oh my god. No, are we running out right now? There we go.
Oh.
Wait, can I use your fan?
Yeah.
This is the best.
Is it great?
Well, especially after the setting spray, because sometimes it takes a while for this to set in.
Okay.
Okay, are you done?
I'm done.
Oh my god, same. Okay, I think we look.
hanging out with us.
I think that we look good. I mean, I don't know.
From what we can tell from our tiny mirrors,
I
it's
could-
really great.
Looking at you look great.
So do you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Woohoo!
Bye.
Okay, bye.